In this video, I'll guide you through how to see your resume on Indeed. Whether you've just uploaded your resume or you built one directly on the site, it's useful to know exactly where to find it and what you're looking at once you get there. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll point out a few tips to make sure your resume looks the way you expect it to. First, start on your Indeed home dashboard. This is the main page you see after you sign in. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. Then you should automatically land on this dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your personal control center. From here, you can manage job alerts, see recommended jobs, track applications, and of course, access your resume. From your home dashboard, look for your account profile area. Usually this is at the top of the page, often represented by your name, a profile icon, or a small avatar. Click on that to open your account profile section. This is where Indeed stores your personal details like your email preferences, saved jobs, and documents such as your resume. Once you're in your account profile area, you'll see a menu running along the top of the page. In this top menu, click on the option labeled Resume. This is the dedicated section where all resumes associated with your account are kept. If you've ever uploaded a resume file or created one using Indeed's Resume Builder, you'll find it here. After you click Resume, Indeed will show you a list or a panel with your available resumes. You might have just one resume, or you might see more than one if you've uploaded different versions over time. Take a moment to identify the resume you want to view. If you built your resume directly on Indeed, it will typically be labeled as an Indeed resume. If you uploaded a document such as a PDF or Word file, it will appear with the file name you used when you uploaded it. Now select your uploaded or built resume by clicking on it. This will open the full resume page. Give it a second to load, and then you'll see your resume laid out clearly on the screen. This is the same information employers will see when they view your Indeed resume, so it's a good idea to look at it carefully. On the resume page, you can view all the details you've included, your contact information, work experience, education, skills, and any additional sections you've added, such as certifications or summary statements. Read through everything from top to bottom. Check for typos, formatting issues, or outdated information like old job titles or phone numbers. If something doesn't look right, you can use the edit options on the page to update your resume immediately. Take advantage of this view to make sure your resume is complete and professional. Confirm that your most recent experience is listed, your key skills are highlighted, and your information is consistent with what you'd share in a job application. When you're satisfied, you can simply leave the page and your changes will be saved within your Indeed account. That's all you need to do to see your resume on Indeed. Start from your home dashboard, go into your account profile, click on the resume tab in the top menu, select the resume you want, and then review the details on the resume page.